G'day, I'm the shepherdess. Ladies, or men with long hair like in anime fantasies, have you ever wanted an inspiring hairdo that speaks for you? Well, you've come to the right gal, and guess what? It's a free lesson! Choice! Anyway, I'll tell you how to get crimps like this. First off, you have a shower. Easier said than done. For better results, make sure that your hair is shampooed and conditioned thoroughly. Just to, make sure that it's nice and smooth and it's manageable to play through. And why am I playing with my hair? Then you can plait your hair in any fashion you like. Mind you, you're in for a big surprise! Weren't expecting me in this kind of hairdo, weren't ya? Okay. Yeah, I know. I kind of fiddle around with my hair sometimes after I have a shower. I look like one of those Barbie dolls, and you just hey Wendy, let's go and chop up Barbie's hair and see if she looks better that way. Okay, let's give her a wedge. Clip, 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 clip. What the hell? I thought I'd be doing better. Wendy could not be successful at a hairdressing salon. What a failure. But seriously though, I do not look like a Barbie doll that has its hair cut off. I just like plaiting my hair just for the sake of it and to practice. But after all my hard work into plaiting my hair, it'll turn like this. It's so beautiful in every single way. Split ends can't bring it down. No, no. Feeling glamorous today. So there you have it. There's no hair products being used, and it's made by hand. Unless you're going to a fancy place, and you probably might need to have just a little bit of hair products just to make things stand out quite nicely. I am the shepherdess. Hear me bleat. Why am I playing with my hair?